Very good morning, students. Today we are read grammatic book. In this book we are reading a new chapter number 10, and chapter name is articles, which is on page number 50. The chapter name is articles and the chapter number is 10. So students, please take out the book and open the page number 50, chapter number 10, and chapter name is articles. So here we start the chapters. The words a or n and the are called articles. These three words are the articles. The first one is a, second is n, third is the. So the word the points out the some particular person or thing. That means we are using this word where some particular person or thing will be point out. That time we are using the. Therefore is called definite article. So whenever we are define some particular person or a thing, we are using the. We are using the article the. The word a or an leaves indefinite the person or thing spoken of. Therefore it is called indefinite articles. He want a dictionary means any dictionary, means he want a dictionary. There is no definite that what kind of dictionary or which dictionary he wants. Just say he want a dictionary, means any dictionary. And in next point, he wants the dictionary. The dictionary means some particular dictionary. Use of a or n. We use indefinite article a before those words that begin with a consonant sound. That means we are using a, the word that begins with consonants like a fan, a dog, a book, a cat, a girl, a table, a horse, a man, a pen, a rat. We use indefinite article an before those words that begin with the vowels. So here are the examples. Apple. The first word is wobble. So we are using here an. So an apple. Next is eagle. First word is e. This is our wobble. So we are using an eagle. Next is ice cream. The word starting I. This is your wobble. So we are using n in ice cream. An onion, an egg, an ink pot, an aeroplane, an orange. In the next, we use a or n only before singular countable noun. Listen carefully. We use a or an only before singular countable noun. A table, a tables, wrong. A man, a men. That means here are the plural. So we are not using a. Here are singular. So we are using a. Similarly, in this men, that means this is plural of men. So we cannot use a. So it is wrong. In the second, this is our singular, man, men, singular. So we are using a man, that means one man, one table. So we are using a. Come to next point. We also use the indefinite article a in the sense of one example. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait 1 minute. 1,000 people were there. 1,000 peoples were there means we can use in the place of 1 we can use a or 1. Can we use in the place of 1? Can we use a? Wait a minute, wait 1 minute. 1,000 people, 1,000 people. Clear the point? Come to next, use of definite article the. The is used. Where the used? We'll see. With the names of rivers. Okay. We are using the word with the article with the name of rivers. Like the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Nile. Next is with the names of oceans and seas. With the name of oceans and seas. Like the Pacific Ocean, the Black Sea, the Caspian Sea. Next, with the names of mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Alps, the Andes. With the name of historical monuments, like the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. Next, with the name of certain books, the Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran, any books. With the names of things being the only one of their kind, the universe, the sun, the earth. Means these things being only ones of their kind. There is no another universe, no other sun, no another earth. There is only one. The universe is only one, the sun is only one, the earth is only one. Okay, clear the point? Come to exercises. The first one is A. Put a or an in the following blanks. Before we have fill it, I'm telling you that we are using a before consonants. Before consonants. And we are using an before vowels. Before vowels. Here are the vowels A, E, I, O, U. So come to first advocate. The first word is alphabet. So we are using an advocate. Similarly, number 2, oven. First word is O. Similarly, it is our vowel. So before the vowels we are using an. Come to next third. Bench. The first word is, the first alphabet is consonant. Before the consonant we are using a bench. Next, a hospital, a dozen, a pencil, a long time, a doctor, an emperor, an orange, an uncle, a park. Come to next. Similarly, a garden, a zoo, an enemy, a queen, a foe, an elephant, an umbrella, a ticket, an angel, an angle, a cup, an order, an injustice, a bottle, a picture, an error, a saucer, a kangaroo, a zebra. Complete? Clear the points? Come to exercise B. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. We have to use among them. All these are articles. This is the name of river. Come to first point. This is the name of river. So we are using here the. The Nile is the longest river in the world. Come to next point. Taj Mahal. It is the historical place. So we have to before it the. The Taj Mahal is World's Heritage Monuments. Miss Kavita is dash kind lady. A kind of lady. There was O is your vowel, so we are using an. There was an orange in her hand. The earth is only one, so we are using the earth moves around. Sun is also only one. The earth moves around the sun. Mary borrowed a book from her school library. Himalaya, we are using here the, because Himalaya is mountain name. The Himalaya are the highest mountain range the world. One day Seema saw a girl weeping in the park. Almost every family in our country own a TV. A lot of people are coming to the meeting. Clear? Come to next joy and drill C. Exercise C. Put A or N in the following boxes. And is starting word is starting alphabet is A, and A is our vowels. So before vowels we are using AN. So here what we fill in the blanks? AN. And next xylophone. This is the consonants. So we are using here a xylophone, a mushroom. Next E. E is our vowel. So we are using AN. An egg, a hammer, a hourglass, a flower, an owl, an igloo, a car, an uniform, an umbrella. Come to D. Circle the correct articles. Apple. Here's the spelling of apple. A-double-P-L-E. So first alphabet is A. So here is the vowels. So we are circling AN. K is our consonant. So we are circling A. O is vowel. So we circle in AN. C is consonant. So we circle in A. Similarly, vowels, an umbrella. Vowel, an elephant. Consonant, a spider. Consonant and a book. The book. Next, only one moon in the universe. Only one moon. So we are using here the moon, a starfish, a bottle, an octopus. So here we end the chapter. We have finished the chapter. So hopefully fill all the exercises. If you got any kind of problem, please share with me in your WhatsApp group. Thank you and have a nice day. Take care.